All across America, there are hidden gem towns full of amazing attractions.
Order up! Woo!
And wild rides.
I'm Doug. I'm a dad and a stand-up comedian. I'm constantly performing on the road, but rarely get time to enjoy the local hotspots.
Wow.
It's amazing.
And I'm Sonya. I'm a gearhead and a race car driver. I've competed throughout the country. Now, I get to slow down and enjoy the ride.
What is this, a Bel Air?
Yes, that is so cool.
CarShield is sending us on the ultimate road trip to check out the best this country has to offer.
Another road trip.
Let's do it.
So jump in and start your engine. This is Drive On.
You again.
All right.
Another season.
Another road trip.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Good to be back with you, buddy.
I'm excited.
I love seeing new places. First stop, St. Louis. Never been. Heard great things.
Okay.
Can't wait to see this arch. Gateway to the West.
This is going to be a lot of fun. What are we doing?
Well, first we're going to hit the City Museum, which I've heard is amazing.
I'm excited.
See if it lives up to the hype.
Let's see. Oh, wow. Is that it right there?
Museum, yep.
It's elaborate even from the outside.
This is it.
Oh
the City
my God.
Museum. All right,
What is
here, you
that
take
for?
this. It's a lantern. They have caves here.
What are you doing?
I don't know what you're doing. I'm getting into it, man. I'm getting into these caves. It's gonna be wild. Who knows what's down there?
You have
but
knee pads? Doug, are you really that old?
diving head first. All right, come on, let's go.
God.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to the City Museum.
This place is insane.
Yeah, there's a lot going on here. So you'll see as you go through, we do use a lot of recycled materials.
Oh, that's cool.
You'll see a lot of tunnels, you'll see a lot of climbers. It's my favorite place in St. Louis.
All right, well, that's cool.
Go have fun and explore.
I'm ready to hit the caves. What do you say?
Yeah, let's
do it. Thanks so much, Maria. Take care. All right, this is awesome. I heard about this. This is like a treehouse labyrinth sort of thing. There's multiple paths. Some are tighter than others. There's a couple of dead ends, but they all lead to over this aquarium right here.
Okay.
You up for a little friendly competition? I know you can burn me on the racetrack, but I'm pretty sure I can smoke you in the treehouse maze.
Okay.
What do you say? Ready?
Yeah.
On three.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. All right. Good Lord. I feel every bit my age right now. Come on. Oh, wait. I think I got it. Oh, it's a dead end. You gotta be kidding me. That's where I was last time. Oh, wait. How did the camera lady get to where I want to be?
Doug,
Yeah.
are you here still?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm coming. I'm gunning for you.
Where are you?
Army crawling. There we go.
That
All
took
right.
you long enough. Are you
I'm done.
okay?
That was way too much for this.
I smoked you.
I don't know. I always thought I was above average intelligence, but that's making me reevaluate everything.
Me too.
I need to cool off in the caves. Let's go.
Well, I still beat you.
I'm done. Oh my God, this is pitch black.
Oh my gosh. Are these teeth?
We are inside a fossilized Gigantosaurus. Somebody sculpted all of this. This is all built by hand. This is amazing. I know. Do you know the difference between a stalagmite and a stalactite? I think a stalactite hangs tight to the ceiling of the cave, and a stalagmite you might trip and fall on.
Wow.
Wow, look at this. I wonder if this bus has been checked for sleeping children.
What?
Did you ever fall asleep on the bus?
No.
That was always my biggest fear, that I would wind up on a roof,
Okay.
abandoned. Look at this view. You can see the whole city.
This is cool.
Now, how do we get onto that plane? Oh, you actually can get onto that plane. Look at that.
Oh, you can.
You can actually add, everything here is accessible. When we first pulled in, I thought this was all just like a big sculpture garden. These are
look at
these
that
are the big
praying
hit slides.
mantis.
Oh, my son loves praying mantises.
Yeah.
I think that's a subliminal message. You have to pray that your pants don't rip coming down this slide.
Are we going?
Well, yeah, you're gonna drop in on this quarter pipe here. Look at you, you show off, no rope
What are
necessary.
you doing? You're making this unsteady. Jesus Christ, stop. Just run up it.
You're not sitting down first, you're dropping in.
All right, you ready?
You really are dropping in.
Come
All right,
on.
ready? Oh my God. Oh, I have road burn. Are my
all right.
pants still there?
Yes.
They feel like they're long
No,
gone.
they're still there. They're still there. Okay.
That was a blast. That was my.
I'm ready to grab some food. How about you?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get some grub. I had high hopes for City Museum, and it
Yeah.
exceeded my expectations. That was so fun.
Your knee pads came in handy.
They certainly did.
We're going to Fitz's now. Do you like root beer?
I won't turn it down. I'll down a root beer. What the hell? Fitz's famous root beer. Not just root beer, they have 19 flavors of soda, apparently.
Wow. Hi.
Welcome to Fitz's. Welcome to St. Louis.
Thank
I
you.
know
Thank
you guys
you.
have
Thank
traveled
you.
a long way to get here.
Yeah.
So it's time to actually make some soda, and I'd like to invite you back to our filling room where you can make Fitz's root beer
Back
yourselves.
there?
Back there.
The whole process?
The whole process from start to end, and you're going to end actually packaging the soda that you made.
Really?
Okay.
Okay? Follow me.
All right.
Okay. You guys look great. Very professional. You're standing in our bottling line.
Okay.
So this is a filler,
Okay.
okay? So its job is to put the liquid
fill.
in the bottle. You see the syrup here, and we see the water on top, right?
Yep.
So it's got to be mixed. And this is called a tumbler and a mixer. They go around 5 times, and when it comes out, you can see now it's all brown,
Right.
and you can see the root beer head on top of it.
Yep.
Okay, this is our labeler. Okay, so this labeler is a really old-fashioned piece of equipment.
Yeah.
If you can see it, there's 5 labeling stations on it.
That's crazy.
Hypnotizing. I feel like I could watch this for
That's
hours.
really
all this
cool
stuff.
because one small little error and it'll grab too much or whatever. So
And it happens. So I've been doing this such a long time that, I could hear
Yeah.
what's going on.
It's like a car. You'll know each sound. So when something is just slightly off, you're like, hold on. And then you can even differentiate like where that sound is coming from. But it's-
100%. Now it's time to pack up these special CarShield root beer bottles.
Custom labels.
Did you-
Brought
that
a
was
tear
so
to my
cool.
eyes. It was a
Okay.
beautiful thing.
Are you guys ready?
yeah.
Let's see what you can do.
You want to go first?
Who's going first?
Am I first?
Go. Then.
Ready, go! Party foul. You're getting better.
24. Oh, man. I get so jittery. Jeez.
Ready?
Nerve-wracking.
Go!
I thought she was going for 3. Yes, 2's much better for you.
Sonya,
Go with
wow.
2.
Wow.
Play it safe. Take your time. Most important thing is safety. You don't want to spill anything. These are very, very special edition bottles. You don't want to blow it here.
Oh no!
Oh, she's having trouble with the box. Winner! I won! So, strap in for excuses, everybody.
So he won by 0.3 of a second.
Now we're actually going to go outside and learn how to make a root beer float.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay?
Lead the way.
All right, stay in my life.
Let's
Thank
go.
you, sir.
Float trip.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You're in the best hands possible because Ashley is an incredible dairy bartender.
Okay.
She is going to show you how to make the perfect float, so don't disappoint her.
Okay.
Okay?
right.
Perfect
All right,
float.
good luck.
Starts with the frosty mug, okay?
All right.
Okay.
All right, you gotta fill it with some good root beer. And you gotta leave a little room because it gets topped with a lot of ice cream.
Okay.
Slide that bad boy
You
right on
gotta
there.
hold the ice
Okay.
cream.
You got a little bit of fluff.
Oh.
A little bit more ice cream on top.
Okay.
Whipped cream. You got a little bit of chocolate drizzle on top.
Okay.
Yep. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. And then you gotta top it off with a cherry.
How is it? Is it
Really
good?
good. You know what you're doing, Ashley.
Coming over. Gotta get some of that whipped cream in there.
Oh, I'm full of float.
I know.
Oh my God, Peter Raven, you want me to get your picture?
I did not know they had like a little walk of fame here. That's
Yeah, this
cool.
is pretty cool. Next stop, World Wide Technology Raceway.
Ah, yes. I'm excited about that.
Finally get to go karting.
Oh,
look at that.
Nelly. Wow.
John Goodman, oh my God. I had no idea.
But
St. Louis has some star power.
oh my God. Look, you can see the whole track. Are you excited for this?
I'm super excited. So this is like a legit NASCAR
This is a
racetrack.
track,
They
yeah.
have major events here.
Yep. They do drag racing, NASCAR, and Indy.
Wow.
Oh man.
Oh my God. All right, I'm glad I got that life insurance policy
So
finalized.
excited.
Hello,
Hey, welcome
you?
to the Kartplex.
I'm Doug.
Hi, Doug. Nice to meet you.
I'm Sonya.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet
Sonia.
you.
Welcome. My name's Keith.
Keith, good to meet you.
Yes, I'm the general manager here at the Gateway Kartplex.
Thanks for welcoming us.
Yes,
So do these vehicles have GPS navigation or backup cameras?
they do not. So
Do they have a Bluetooth setting so I can listen to a podcast while
Sorry,
driving?
we actually we would prefer you not be on your cell phone when you're out there.
Keith, what is the top speed on one of these things?
The top speed on our arrive and drive karts is in the low 50-mile-an-hour range.
Okay.
This is not like any little go-kart track down by the mini golf course. This is a real racing experience. It's a high-performance situation.
Okay. Who's your money on? We're gonna race. We're gonna have a little friendly competition.
I'm sorry, I got my money on Sonia today.
Okay. All right. Well, never underestimate the dark horse.
That's true.
You may eat your words, Keith.
Well, then it's time to get you a helmet and get you on the racetrack.
All right. Are you serious? You brought your own helmet?
Yeah, I did.
So it's like bringing a bowling ball to a bowling alley. I got a little help myself.
Do you have a banana peel?
I thoroughly don't believe that the banana peel is going to work. It's cute that you think that.
Have you ever
but
stepped on a banana peel? It works.
No, it just squishes.
All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on. Now she's playing with me. She's playing with me.
Another thing coming.
Oh, give me a little love tap, huh? Yeah, I'm right here. I'm right here. Just trying to get your hopes up. All right, this is where it counts. Last lap. Sayonara, sweetie! Oh, man. Didn't do nothing. I don't know why we're always doing driving challenges. When are they going to put you on a stage telling jokes and have some drunk heckler say, "You suck"? What are you looking so proud for? You should have done much better than that.
Oh, now I should have done
I
much
wasn't
better.
trying to win. I was trying to make you look bad. I was hot on your heels the whole time. You
That's interesting.
didn't hit my banana peel?
No, I did not hit the banana.
Mario Kart lied to me.
How'd you like it?
I loved it. I feel the need for speed. I can't wait to get back on the track again.
Really?
It's awesome. Yeah, I
All
get
right.
it. I get
Cool.
it.
As much as I want to stay here, we got to get going.
We do. We gotta get to our next city, Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Never been. I'm excited.
I haven't been either, so this should be interesting.
Yeah, let's hit the road.
Yes.